In the heart of England, where the River Severn meets the River Wye, lies an enchanted forest shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Known as the Forest of Dean, this ancient woodland whispers tales of the supernatural, the eerie, and the unexplained. For centuries, locals and travelers alike have reported inexplicable phenomena that defy logic and reason. Some speak of spectral figures that roam the forest under the cloak of darkness. These ghostly apparitions, they say, appear as lost souls, forever trapped between this world and the next. Others recount hearing peculiar sounds echoing through the trees, unseen entities whispering on the wind, disembodied voices that seem to rise from the very earth itself. These eerie sounds, they claim, are the forest's way of communicating, its ancient language spoken only to those who dare to listen. Then there are those who share tales of otherworldly experiences, of feeling an unseen presence, a chilling touch, a sudden drop in temperature. These uncanny sensations, they insist, are the forest's supernatural inhabitants making their presence known. In this video, we've journeyed into the heart of the Forest of Dean, exploring its enigmatic aura and delving into the countless stories of supernatural activities that have become a part of its legendary folklore. We've heard tales of ghostly apparitions, listened to the eerie sounds of unseen entities, and shared experiences of otherworldly sensations that challenge our understanding of reality. The Forest of Dean, with its centuries-old trees and ancient secrets, invites us to question, to wonder, and to explore the mysteries that lie within its shadowy depths. But remember, dear listener, these tales are not for the faint of heart. For in this forest, the line between the natural world and the supernatural is as thin as a whisper on the wind. As we close this chapter, we leave you with a question to ponder. What mysteries does the Forest of Dean hold for you? Only the brave or the curious may dare to find out. Be sure to join us next time as we venture into other realms of the unknown, where mystery and intrigue abound. Until then, keep your senses sharp and your mind open, for in the world of the supernatural, anything is possible. Who knows? Perhaps the next tale of the supernatural will be your own.